crazy how common this issue is. If your iPhone suddenly starts reading everything out loud and speaking every tap, don't worry. VoiceOver is probably turned on, and there are several ways to turn it off. The fastest method is the accessibility shortcut. If you're using an iPhone with Face ID, quickly press the side button 3 times in a row. On older iPhones with a home button, triple-click the home button instead. If VoiceOver is enabled through the shortcut, you'll hear VoiceOver off, and your iPhone will return to normal. If the triple-click shortcut isn't working, you'll need to set it up first. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, and scroll down to Accessibility Shortcut. Make sure only VoiceOver is selected, not other settings. Otherwise, triple-click side button will give you options on the screen to apply, but not directly turn off VoiceOver. Another easy method is to use Siri. Simply press and hold the side button, or the home button on older iPhones, until Siri appears. Then say, "Turn off VoiceOver." Siri will disable the feature for you automatically. If you have an iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 16 series, or a newer model with the action button, you may also be able to turn VoiceOver off using that button. If the action button is assigned to accessibility features, simply press and hold it to toggle VoiceOver off. If none of these methods work, try restarting your iPhone, and then check whether the accessibility shortcut has been configured correctly. That's it. Your iPhone should stop reading everything aloud and work normally again. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes.